Hi, guys. Today I'm going to talk about something that's absolutely crucial for any man who's looking to find a quality woman: the green flags. Now, we all know about the red flags, the warning signs that indicate that a woman is not relationship material. But what about the green flags? These are the signs that show you that you have actually found a woman who is worth your time, effort, and commitment. So, let's get into the 10 green flags that you need to look for when you're vetting a woman. Green flag number 1, she respects you. The first and most important green flag is respect. A woman who respects you will treat you like a king. She will value your opinions, your time, your feelings, your effort. She will not try to manipulate or control you, and she will never belittle or disrespect you in any way. When you find a woman who respects you, hold on to her tightly because she is a rare gem in today's world. Respect goes hand in hand with trust. A woman who respects her man is more likely to trust him, and a man who feels respected is more likely to feel emotionally safe. This symbiotic duality is essential for building a strong and secure relationship. Trust allows both partners to be vulnerable and open with each other, deepening their connection as a result. Respect plays a crucial role in resolving conflicts and disagreements as well. You'll find that a woman who respects you will approach conflicts differently. She'll be able to express herself calmly while still communicating openly and respectfully. She'll want to work together to find a solution to the issue instead of adding to it. This is essential because arguments will happen. No relationship can escape them. So knowing that you have a woman that respects you is a huge sigh of relief because you know that when the arguments do come around, she's less likely to have them get out of hand. Green flag number 2 is she is independent. Now hold on. Not independence in the sense of I don't need a man, I can pay my own bills and support myself, but more so a woman who is not dependent on you for her happiness and she's not clingy or needy. A woman who has her own goals and hobbies. An independent woman is a great partner because she adds value to your life without taking away your freedom and independence. She is secure in herself and in your relationship, and she'll support you in your own goals and ambitions. When a woman is independent, she prioritizes her personal growth and well being. This focus on self improvement and self care will inspire her man to do the same, leading to a stronger bond as you both grow and evolve together. You want a woman who's emotionally independent because there's going to be times where you need her to be your strength. And if she's not equipped with emotional independence, it's going to be very hard for her to be able to have the capacity to guard and protect your emotional well-being. An independent woman doesn't rely solely on her man for emotional fulfillment and support. She's able to manage her own emotions and find happiness within herself, which reduces the pressure on her man to be the sole provider of emotional support. Green flag number 3 is she shows appreciation. A woman that can show gratitude and appreciation is a huge green flag because it demonstrates that she is appreciative of the effort and care that her man puts into the relationship. This shows her man that she's not taking him for granted and she values the positive attributes that he brings to her life. Humbleness is associated with gratefulness, and humbleness is a very attractive trait because it demonstrates emotional maturity and willingness to learn and grow. When a woman shows gratitude, she not only sets an example for her partner to do the same, but she also sets the tone of the relationship. People underestimate the power that a simple "I appreciate you" can carry, but it means the world to a man that never hears it. So if she understands this simple yet highly underestimated component, she's a keeper. Number 4 is she's loyal. A loyal woman is one who's faithful, committed, and trustworthy. She will not cheat on you or betray you. She will always have your back no matter what. When you find a woman who's loyal, you can rest assured that she will be there for you through thick and thin. She will be your ride or die, and she will never let you down. Loyalty brings a high degree of peace of mind to any relationship. Knowing that your woman is loyal and committed can greatly reduce insecurities, doubts, and fears. Since the time is not being spent worrying about these things, more time is freed up to allow both the man and the woman to focus on enjoying and nurturing the relationship as individuals, as well as enjoying activities that actually contribute to the relationship building. Green flag number 5, she respects boundaries. This is a huge one. A woman who respects your boundaries is a huge green flag. It shows that she understands the importance of individuality and autonomy, and she's not looking to control or manipulate you. In turn, this helps establish trust in the relationship because as a man, you know that she's not going to push you beyond your comfort zone or violate your personal space, and that's incredibly important in any relationship. By simply respecting your boundaries as a man, she provides you with the emotional space and freedom to pursue personal growth and self-discovery for your own well-being. And that in and of itself establishes great trust. This makes you more likely to feel like that you can let your guard down and be more vulnerable with her, all while having a high degree of security and peace of mind, which is priceless. Green flag number 6, she's an effective communicator. A woman who communicates well is able to express her thoughts and feelings in a clear and concise manner. She's not afraid to speak her mind respectfully, and she's able to listen to you and understand your perspective as well. Effective communication is the foundation of any healthy human interaction, and a woman who is an effective communicator will help you build a strong and lasting connection. Effective communication ensures that both you and her have a clear understanding of each other's thoughts, feelings, and needs. Without this, you will have a plethora of misunderstandings and misinterpretations that will lead to conflict with little to no resolution. And no one, and I repeat, no one wants to live in a relationship like that. Life is already stressful enough. Green flag number 7 is she values your masculinity. For men, it's important to have a woman who values your masculinity, a woman who appreciates your strength, your confidence, your ability to take charge in the relationship is a true green flag. This type of woman understands and respects the traditional gender roles that have been in place for centuries, and she's supportive of your role as a provider, protector, and leader in the relationship. This appreciation of your masculinity can be incredibly motivating and empowering because it lets you know that your efforts and contribution to the relationship are actually valued and appreciated. It also creates a sense of mutual respect where both partners feel appreciated for their unique abilities and contributions. A woman who values a man's masculinity is more likely to be comfortable with her own femininity. This creates a sense of balance and harmony in the relationship where both partners feel secure and confident in their own identities and abilities. Green flag number 8, she's emotionally mature. While somewhat rare, a woman who is emotionally mature is one who's able to handle her own emotions in a healthy and constructive way. She doesn't entertain anything that does not add value to her life. She's not interested in drama, nor does she entertain it. And most importantly, she does not let her emotions control her actions. An emotionally mature woman is a great asset because she's able to handle conflict and difficult situations with grace and self-control. She's able to communicate her needs and desires in a healthy, productive way, and she's able to help you grow as a person. Green flag number 9, she holds you accountable. This means she's not afraid to tell you when you've made a mistake or to call you out when you're not living up to your potential. It shows that she cares about your growth and development and is willing to push you to be your best self. If you're in a relationship with a woman that's willing to actually hold you accountable, it's important to listen to what she has to say and take her feedback seriously. Now, a word of caution. It takes a certain level of emotional maturity to be with a woman like this because it can be very easy to get defensive or dismissive. But if she's a good woman, then it's important to remember that she's doing it because she sees the potential in you and she cares about you and your future. Green flag number 10, high emotional intelligence. A woman with high emotional intelligence can accurately recognize and understand her own emotions as well as those of others. She can pick up on subtle emotional clues and respond to them appropriately. She is also able to value logic over emotions when the circumstance calls for it. A woman who values logic is an invaluable asset because she possesses the capability to make decisions based on reason and not just her feelings. This means she's less likely to be swayed by societal pressure and emotional whims that can cause unnecessary drama and stress in a relationship. This trait also shows that she's highly capable of critical thinking and can approach problems and conflicts with a calm and calculated mindset. She won't let her emotions get in the way of making rational decisions that benefit both her and you. Look, at the end of the day, no woman is perfect, and I'm not saying that she has to encompass every single one of these. But if you find a woman who encompasses the majority of these traits and characteristics, don't let her go. Hold on to her because she is an invaluable asset to your life. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.